Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Keychain on iPhone, pro tips step by step clearly. To get started with Apple Keychain on your iPhone, first, unlock your device and head to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. Use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate your identity. Once you're in, you'll see a list of saved passwords. To add a new password, tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Enter the website URL, your username, and the password you want to save. Make sure to toggle on the option to generate a strong password if you need help creating one. Tap Done to save your new entry. If you need to edit an existing password, select the account from the list. Here, you can update the username or password as required. To delete a password, swipe left on the entry and tap Delete. Now, let's explore how to use Apple Keychain for autofill. Open Safari and navigate to a website that requires a login. When you tap on the username or password field, a suggestion from Keychain should pop up. Select the correct account, and your credentials will fill in automatically. If you don't see the autofill option, return to Settings. Tap on Safari, then Autofill, and ensure that Names and Passwords is enabled. You can also manage your credit card information similarly under Autofill. For added security, enable iCloud Keychain in the main Settings menu. This will sync your passwords across all Apple devices. Finally, remember to regularly review your stored passwords for any outdated entries. Apple Keychain can help you manage your online accounts easily and securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.